Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness right away. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Screen Refresh Rate. Lastly, click on the best option for you to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Vivo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!